The very first thing somebody will ask me when I first share this product with them is, what is this? And what I simply tell them is this: it will help detox and cleanse out your system, it will help you lose weight naturally, and it's for your overall health and to prevent future illnesses and diseases. What I'm going to do next is go through some of these powerful plants that are inside this remarkable tea. Now, the very first one I'm going to start with is called holy thistle. Holy thistle has been around for a very long time. It's well documented. It's well known for helping with gastric and digestive disorders, chronic pains like migraines and inflammation of the joints, arthritis, and even for women that have really painful menstrual cycles. Holy thistle helps with circulation of your blood, and just in recent studies, doctors have been using holy thistle for helping boost the immune system of HIV patients, and the results of these studies were incredible. Now, ginger is a very well-known root. At one time or another, you've probably eaten ginger, especially if you've gone to some type of Asian restaurant. We use ginger in our cooking on a daily basis, but a lot of people don't realize the health benefits behind ginger. It's really well known for helping with inflammation of your tissues, helps with nausea. If you have chronic ulcers, it will help with that. One of the other things that ginger does, it helps boost your immune system. So it will help you with fighting against colds and viruses and flus that you'll get on a regular basis. I know here in South Korea, a lot of people will eat ginger raw just for that reason. Okay, let's move on to persimmon leaves. Right now, persimmon leaves, especially in South Korea, amongst the scientific community is getting a lot of attention right now, and let me just share with you why. They're finding out that it has 30 times more vitamin C than green tea. It's very high in magnesium. It has 5 times more calcium than a glass of milk. It also has high levels of zinc and a lot more stuff. So they're getting really excited about all the stuff that they're finding out. And also, one of the new studies shows that it's reducing cancer cells in rats that they're doing studies on. So just an incredible tea, guys, and it's one of those teas that you'll get if you ever go to China, Japan, or Korea. Okay, let me talk a little bit about myrrh. Now, myrrh's been around for thousands of years. This plant is very well documented because of the variety of the health benefits that it has. Let me just share with you what it's really well known for. It will help stimulate the circulation to mucosal tissue, especially in your bronchial tract, your throat, tonsils, and your gums. It's anti-inflammatory, it's an antioxidant, and antimicrobial, making this substance an ideal plant for any types of inflammation or swollen tissue. The next plant I want to talk about is called the blessed thistle, which is a sister plant to the holy thistle and the milk thistle. Now, this plant also has a lot of similar health attributes of those other two plants. But there's one more thing I wanted to add that that will benefit you, is that this plant will help circulate and cleanse out the liver as well as the bloodstream. Okay, let me talk a little bit about papaya. Now, for those of you that don't know what a papaya is, it's a fruit that grows in tropical areas of the world. And one of the places that it's very famous for is in Thailand. And they'll use this not only to eat, but also to use it as medicine for skin disorders. And a lot of people probably didn't know that. I used to use it for my martial arts students that would have rashes or athlete's foot or ringworm or shingles or any type of skin disorder, and it worked beautifully. It's just a wonderful fruit for your skin. So the other really big thing, like I mentioned just a second ago, is that it does kill up to 98% of parasites. Okay? So just a really great fruit. Now let's move over to chamomile. Now, chamomile is very famous, especially in America. I remember, my grandmother giving this to me when I had a fever or a cold or a flu. So it will help you with your sore throats and aches and pains that come from the common cold and flu. Okay? So just a really relaxing, smooth tea. Okay, let me just really quickly talk about the marshmallow plant. The marshmallow plant has over a 2,500 year history, and it was really well known in Egypt. Egyptians used to eat the root of this as a vegetable, especially during the time of really bad poverty. And so this was their only source of food at the time. And during that, they found out that this plant had some incredible health benefits. And one of them is that the plant would help speed up the process of healing. So then they started using the leaves and the roots for any types of injuries. So just an incredible story on the marshmallow plant. Okay, let me talk about the final plant that's in this tea called Melva. Now, Melva has been around and documented for hundreds of years. It's really well known for helping with respiratory disorders like bronchitis, minor cases of asthma. It's also known to help with gastric and digestive disorders. It also has a minor laxative in it to help you have a normal bowel movement. So you guys, these plants that are in this tea are remarkable. They're documented. Thousands of years of history are in this tea, and to give you your overall health that you need on a daily basis.